Hey, everybody, this is Dr. J, Kamal and Spike, streaming live from Long Island, New York, where it's another beautiful day,
Yeah.
as was on the street. Another beautiful day. One
Very
beautiful
beautiful day.
day for the Bulls after another. Thank you, Powell. Thank you, Fed. This is a Fed rally we're experiencing today, and I think we'll get more of it next week. What do you guys think?
Well,
I, I
if I believed
disagree.
that, I wouldn't be shorting everything. I bought a triple short on the IWM because I'm thinking what goes up must come down.
Correct. I sold almost most of my positions, the ones that I made money on. I keep holding the ones that the losers. I hold the losers
Yeah.
and sell the
Well
winners.
done, you. Yeah, no, it's a bad habit. It's a
Well,
bad habit. I have the same
trying,
habit.
trying to find the right timing to short is difficult. I'd rather not be.
I'm not saying I'm finding the right time, but I'll show you my case today. I could show you my case why I think it's time.
Why
That's
don't,
We
why
had a
why
lot
don't
of
you show
profits
us,
today.
why don't you show us first how you made money on trading NVIDIA to the long side, MSTR to the long side, BMNR.
MSTR.
Those were your three big winners today, right?
correct.
So wouldn't you rather talk about that than talk about maybe I'm going to make money shorting? You know,
I've never shorted, but I wait until it drops, then I go back in. I'm hoping.
I don't
I've
think,
never shorted a stock.
personally, I don't think you should start now. Go with what's
Okay.
working for you
Yeah, it
So
hasn't been
today
working for me that well.
until it stops working for you. You know what I mean? Come on. It's
yeah,
working.
I
It's
sold
doing now.
MSTR. I sold lots of MSTR. All of my position MSTR. I sold it at 354 and 54 cents.
Sounds like
Really.
a good price.
Yeah,
I'm
it
still
went up
holding on
to
to
like
mine, whatever little I have left.
357. I think it went much higher, but not much higher, but it went to 358. But I sold it 354 and 54 cents,
I
which
don't
is
even look. I didn't look at my individual stocks this week. I made no trades. I'm just letting it run at this point.
Uh-huh. Probably
Uh,
smartest.
and I think I have mine bets. Every one of my mine bets would have been a winner, but that's besides the point. So I still own my BMNR. I still own my MicroStrategy. I still own my IBIT. I didn't sell anything.
Right.
Let's start with. You have chart up, right, Spike?
I have the spiders up.
All right, then let's start with that. Let me change screens. Spiders. Add to stage. Got it?
Yep.
I'm on my phone, so I can't chart.
All right. Well, it looks like we're, just continuing on an uptrend.
So why would you want to be that smart to find out?
Yeah, no, you're right. In a way, it's not trying to find it. I've actually been buying into it for a little while, only because I didn't really think that Powell was going to be accommodative. He was very snarky about doing the quarter point, but then for him to add on, well, and it's likely that we're going to get two more cuts. I thought that was not consistent with either what he wanted to do or what he was even talking about.
Well, it could be pressure from the White House that he's yielding to. Whatever it is, why look for the one spot in time to short the market? Just
Yeah.
doesn't make sense to me. You go with the flow. Go with the trend. The trend is up. Stay. You may
You're a
maybe.
momentum person, Dr. J.
Yeah, I don't believe in looking to find the top to prove how smart I am.
Right.
I'll just ride my winners. Maybe I'll sell a loser or two in between, believe it or not. It's hard to find a loser at this
At this
point.
point. I know. I mean, look, if you're looking at the spies, everything looks like it's and it's just hunky dory, almost
Yeah,
boring.
even the biotechs that I've been keeping starting to perk up. Everything. So it's hard for me to sell a
This one is
loser.
boring. What do you want to look at next?
I want to show you my spider, the way I look at it. Is it okay to
Sure.
present in like 3 minutes?
Oh, absolutely.
Let me go to the other screen. Wait a second.
Mantis is very opinionated this afternoon.
Yeah, Atlantis has a lot mentioning every stock. It's like, you know, you throw a dot at the board, Mantis. You're going to do well.
Well, I mean, he's picking some nice stuff. Although I'm not. What is CRCL? What is that?
What is what?
CRCL.
Like circle
See,
something.
Circle is the stable coin, the one that I IPO'd recently.
Okay.
Am I on?
I'm trying to figure out how to get you on. All right, wait a second. I'm on the phone. I don't usually broadcast from the phone. Are you on?
I am on.
He's presenting, presumably.
Add to stage.
There you go. There you go.
Okay.
Okay, this is the channel that I drew, and we have hits here, 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 and one here, and here, and here, and here. You see how many hits we got here? Like
Yes.
like at least 10 hits. And if you look, this is the year to date, and if I do 3 months, you see today it hit again and was rejected. So every time it hits, it goes back, like a couple of bounces on the upper channel, then it goes back down. So that's why when I saw it hitting the upper channel, again, I'm doing the 3 months now. I showed you the year to date.
Yeah.
Okay, when I saw it hitting the upper channel, I said, okay, it might hit again or again, maybe another day or two, but it's going to go down because if it is consistent with this channel, if we're consistent with this channel, it hits the top of the channel. You see here, for instance, it hit the top of the channel and then all the way the bottom of the channel, like the following day. You see that here?
Yes.
So that's why I end up selling most of my positions. So now I'm like 82 or 83% cash, to be honest with you. So when it hit the top of the channel, I start selling. That's my point here.
Show us what you sold.
So I sold mstr. I sold it. Let me show you right here. No, this is SMC. Okay, so I sold mstr right at the 200, like 354, 54, like around here.
That's good.
Okay, you see what it hit the. I figured that's going to be resistance. Again, I'm not an expert, but I tell you my logic. So
Yeah.
354, 54, that's what I sold it right here. It went higher, but then it came back down.
Okay.
bmnr.
I'm surprised you dumped that one, actually.
You made on that trade, right? MSCI?
I made lots of money on that trade. I had like lots of shares.
But from what price?
333 roughly. From 333 to
You made $20 a share,
correct.
right? That's excellent.
Yes. And I had lots of it.
Good.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Similarly here.
Now,
I
why doesn't
figured-
this look like a bottoming to you, that it was a bottom and it's just a cup and handle that's just going to keep going?
Which one?
This
the
one right here
MSCI?
that you're showing us, SMR. I mean, this one here.
No, this is bmnr.
Yeah, BMN, all right. What makes you
Okay.
think this is going to stop?
I didn't think it's gonna stop. I was satisfied with my gains.
I
So
see.
it reached this level, like 60 something. Like you see those two candles here.
Yeah.
So when it reached that level, like I think it was $60.60, I sold it. I was happy with that.
What was your average price that you paid?
49.
Nice.
Wow. Okay.
49 in this area. I bought it right here
Nice.
in the
Look,
49.
you can't
I
fault,
sold it at 60 and some change.
you can't fault somebody for taking a quick
No, certainly not.
20%.
Again, I sold it at 60 and some change, at 60 and 61, but it went all the way to 63.50, I think, today.
Well, nobody's a genius, Kamal.
No, I'm not. Definitely not me.
You can't hit every top.
But those were my top positions. And
Yeah.
I sold NVIDIA at 176.50. 176.50.
Yeah. I thought about adding NVIDIA at 170, but I didn't do it. I
I
didn't
bought
do
it
anything
yesterday.
this week. Not one
I bought
trade.
it yesterday.
A quick
around
3%, you can't complain.
I'm
And
making
then
money
in
then I'm
24
getting
hours.
thanks.
without making money every day without trying, so to speak. I'm not giving it any effort. I just
Yeah.
count
I bought
money.
it yesterday around 170.
Yeah, I mean, at some point, I'm gonna shed a lot of shares of everything, but I'm not. I don't think we're at that point. I will
So
indeed cut down.
if you recall, I told you that we're gonna fill that gap. You see this gap right here?
I remember.
And when it filled it, I bought it yesterday and I sold it today.
What was it? The gap about 169.
I think the gap was 170, was 170.76. But I bought it at 170.
All right, good. And you look, you're doing phenomenal. Nobody can criticize you.
Yeah, so I'm now right now I made really good money this year and I want to keep it if I could. You know, I don't want to risk it.
Keeping it is against the stock market rules.
I know.
Yeah.
When you
I
have
have,
wins,
like I said,
Casinos don't let you leave.
when you have wins, they're only loans. You got to pay it back.
Right.
Oh, yeah,
That's why casinos give you a room.
Yeah.
right.
No,
Well,
seriously, you got to be very cautious when you're on a winning streak, just like when you're on a losing streak. I know it doesn't sound. It seems like you can do anything with your money once you're winning, but it could turn on a dime on you. So you got to
I
be
know.
careful. Got to be careful.
That's why I sold, just to ring the cash register, and that's it.
Yeah. Look, you're a trader. You're trading it every day. You're taking gains or losses every day. I seldom take a gain or a loss with really different kind of investors. You're a swing trader. That's how you're categorized.
Yes. Anyway, I'll show you my case as far as the SPY. That's what I wanted to show you, the SPY mainly.
Right.
Right. You take a look at Amazon. It had very good support on Friday. It was sitting at the bottom of the trend line. So I was thinking of adding some Amazon. I know it's crazy to add Amazon to, being that it's my biggest position. But I think
I don't think Andrew's asking how much of your BMNR you kept. You didn't keep any of it, right?
I sold all of it.
I'm still holding on to mine. I'm
it's
just figuring. I'm figuring with inflation. Oh, he's gone. We could always go to mine. With inflation, I'm trying to figure that. The bit miners, the metals are the places to be.
I admit I sold half my bmnr at 69 and change a while ago, but I've bought it all back plus.
Right.
I'm long and strong bmnr. I'm long and strong. I'm long, but not so strong mstr, and I'm long IBIT and long ETHV for my crypto. I think I also own one more. I think I own SBET. I own. What is that? Sparkling Gaming, whatever it's called. That's the one, with the CEO from that they stole from BlackRock, and Joseph Lubin, one of the founders of Ethereum, was
Gotcha.
chairman of the board, I think. So
And Andrew wants to know what you're thinking about ETHZ.
ETHZ, is that a 2 times?
I believe so.
Oh no! That's a treasury, Ethereum treasury company like bmnr. Peter Thiel took 7% of it. his fund. So that alone is reason maybe to own it.
Yeah.
ETF. I mean, I did own
Ethereum,
it.
in general, the Ethereum's did okay today, right? No,
Yeah,
they just
I did.
actually just
I
okay.
owned BTHC for a while and sold it, so I got rid of that one. I still have some SB. What is that? The one that repeats. SBSB. I forget the
Um,
whatever it's called. BTBT. I can't remember. BTBT maybe.
he said BT, Andrew.
Yeah, BT. I own some of that. So I own 3 Ethereum treasuries, and I own the ETF.
Do you want to let do you want to let Kamal back in?
What happened?
If you look, he's probably waiting in the wings.
All right, we'll let him back in. He's a good guy.
Yeah.
I don't know
There you
what
go.
happened.
Hello.
I guess you guys didn't like what I said. Fine.
No,
No,
I think it only about.
your chart blew everything.
I'm
Oh,
not very good at working at this StreamYard on the phone.
okay.
Your
All right.
Treasuryzilla.
Anyway, that's my thought. My thought is we hit the top on the SPY, and that made me worry.
Oh yeah, I asked you if you could do Amazon.
Well, I'm not there anymore.
All right.
You want me to do it?
No, it's okay. I just wanted our viewers to note that I thought it was a strong buy on Friday. It didn't do much though off that low close on Friday. It was sitting very pretty on the trend line,
It's sitting on its 50 very nicely.
and the trend line.
Okay.
You want to?
Well, a wise man once said that there's no wrong time to buy Amazon.
No, I was thinking of adding it just for a trade because I have so much of it. I can't add to keep it. It would have to just be a trade. Also, I'm debating what to do with a treasury bond that just came due. I don't want to just take another treasury. I want to diversify that a little bit.
Well, what are the interest rates even attractive now? The 30s,
No,
the
they're
30
low.
looks good.
I was thinking of TLT basically for trade.
Yeah.
Also, IEF. They were both down today, so
Yeah, I know it's worth getting back in a little bit.
it enticed me. So, but I didn't do it. I didn't add yet. But I think I will add to TLT and IEF. Probably a little more IEF. Seems safer. But that you got to be very careful with because you could get hurt if the interest rates start moving up quickly. You can take a hit on your principal. So you got to be careful. You got to be careful.
Andrew said that he was looking at the MUB, the municipal bonds, prior to the Fed announcement.
Unis, yeah, that's a possibility. I mean, I have too much in treasuries. I was too conservative on this run. But what are you going to do?
If you want to show my screen, we can get to something else.
Yeah, sure.
I'm on Amazon right now.
All right, I'll show it.
There we go. So yeah, we have a pickup and then a pickup.
Yeah.
Any reason to think that this pickup won't just keep going a little bit, or do we have resistance up over here?
If you draw that trend line in from the red candle that you're at to
Or
the right,
from down here?
yeah, to the right. Yeah, it's a nice trend line,
Yeah, no, it certainly is.
and we're right at support, right?
Pretty much.
So I think it's probably worth a gamble, at least for a trade. Of course, my opinions, our opinions, strictly our own, not investment advice, do your own due diligence, all of that good stuff. You got to
Yeah.
really make your own investment decisions. What's right for you may not be right for me, and so forth and so on.
We're here for entertainment.
Yeah, we entertain each other.
That's right.
Yeah.
Kamal has an occasional
You
joke.
can see how thrilled I am.
Kamal has an occasional joke,
I
right?
just wanted to just do the three, just to
Yeah.
see if the three's not repeating itself.
So is
See,
it,
I'd say it still has more to come.
even fair the advantage that Tom Lee has being on CNBC, plugging his own company all the
Yeah.
time? Is that even fair? I don't know.
Well,
bmnr.
fair is something that we can only strive toward.
Yeah.
So what else did you have here? You had the Bitcoin, the Ethereum, the Qs, MicroStrategies, the BitMiner. So we already looked at BitMiner. Do you want to look at the do you want to look at the Nvidia, the S&P? Do you want to look at the
IWM.
S&P, or do you want to look at the coins?
IWM. I'm very long IWM, and you're short.
Yeah, sorry, you're long IW and I'm very short. So let's actually
Take a look.
split, see what happens here.
Take a look.
Right.
I think it broke some key resistance.
Well, this is 3 months right here. It certainly is enjoying a nice trend line.
I don't know why you would short anything, let alone this.
Well, because I was again, everybody's going to be punch drunk about having a nice inflation rate. I mean, a nice dividend cut. But then inflation still would do something.
I'm going to tell you the same thing I told Kamal.
Correct.
You're not experienced shorting stocks. Forget about it. Don't short stocks. You're not going to make.
I've never shorted a stock. I just wait for the market to correct and to jump back in. That's all I care. That's what I do.
You're better. I believe in selling sooner than shorting. I'd rather sell some of my holdings than short them. Some people protect with puts. I don't believe in that either. Because it's
I know, but you're right, because I've been calling the demise for a very long time.
I don't know. I mean, you're more apt to lose trying to find the right spot to short than you're likely to win, in my opinion. The market is basically goes up. Look at the chart from 1900. If you need convincing, goes up. You know, it goes down far fewer days than it goes up.
But we want to feel that we're doing something.
You are doing something. You're making money.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what you just right. You're living.
You're making money on the long side. Nothing wrong with that. I mean, some people want to catch every movement, up, down, sideways.
No, not everyone, but most of them is fine.
Okay.
Just kidding.
There's a lot of hot stocks. Mantis named a few. Tesla's been hot. Not today, but it's been hot. I think again, Tesla, I think is probably going to 500 by end of year.
So let's see, MicroStrategies. Let's take a look at that one as a play on Bitcoin. Any opinions here?
I'm long, and I'm not.
I sold it today.
You know, you did. I can see. I mean, you did. You probably made a nice little profit. Was that for a long time? This was.
Well, my average was 333.
And you sold at 353.
Yeah. Okay. I see.
54 sharp.
Oh, you caught it at one of these spots. Nice.
So it was the 200-day moving average, like near the 200-day. If you draw the 200-day moving average, you'll see it.
You did great.
The other thing was, I guess we do Bitcoin just for a sec, just to see. This is MicroStrategies. Let's actually do Bitcoin directly. Slightly different curve, actually.
I think in the short history of MicroStrategy, you would have done much better with going long MicroStrategy than Bitcoin. So,
You notice on the graphs that we're missing yesterday's data, and a lot of graphs were missing yesterday's data.
Yeah, what's that about?
Yeah, they had an issue. I read something about it. They had an issue, uh, and there's like one candle missing, which is yesterday's.
Interesting.
So Kamal, I guess we're done charting, right? Did
Milestone. Yeah.
anybody ask for something that you want to put up?
ETHZ. Somebody asked for ETHZ.
ETHZ.
Yeah, that's the one with Peter Thiel.
Okay, the Zilla.
I am red on that one. Believe it or not.
See, this one's. How do you read this chart?
Turn
Go
it
to the
upside
one
down. Turn it upside down might look better.
The inverse. Yeah, my
no,
average here is 325.
I'd rather do this one, at least ETHE.
I think I took a small loss. I'm out of that one.
Really?
Yeah.
See, I hold my losers.
Well, this environment, you can do that. I held my Intelia, which is, I think my average was 16 or 18. It was about $8. I think it's jumped up today. NTLA. I'm not sure where it closed. But
Is that another one of the Alzheimer's plays?
no, it's gene editing.
Oh, I'm getting creamed on those.
One of Kathy Wood's.
Oh boy, look at that! Nice day for you.
Very nice pop. Yeah, I never sold. I didn't add under 10, but I didn't sell.
You still have it?
Yeah, I still have it.
I hope you have 1 million shares.
I don't.
With his cousin.
One of my tiniest holdings.
Oh, okay.
But it's still,
I didn't do anything really.
It's still money, Money is money. And it's I have just a smattering of biotech stocks.
So I want to talk to you a little story about inflation.
Inflation.
I was with my daughter the other day at the supermarket, and in the parking lot, we saw a dime like on the ground. I told my daughter, pick it up. She's like, it's a dime. It's nothing. She refused to pick it up.
Wow.
So a dime to her means nothing. She can buy nothing.
I used to look.
To answer your question, Andrew, I think the answer is yes. He liked that one.
Which one?
When we had Rich as the guest.
Yeah.
The question was, remember, I kept on asking him about Edit and the other one, CRISPR.
No, that was Anthony.
Yeah, Anthony, and he was like just so over those two.
He's 100% invested now in Intelia. He sold everything else.
There you go. So there's your answer, Andrew.
Somebody must like it so much.
He's got a lot of money in NTLA. He's popping corn today. He's happy. He's a happy camper.
Yeah.
So a lot of hot stocks. What could I say? A lot of hot stocks.
So, Dr. Jay, you don't think there's a correction coming anytime soon, right? You think the market is hot, is going to continue?
I didn't say that. I do think there's a small correction coming. 3 to 5%, maybe.
When?
I don't know, but I any given day. Quickie type correction.
I want you to tell us what day is that.
When it happens, you'll know, and then you'll go long again.
That's right. I'm gonna tie my hands not to buy anything.
Wait for that 3 to 5%.
You got to sit on your hands.
Yeah,
until,
me too.
Until that second April 2nd comes.
Wait for the 3 to 5% correction.
I think it's very soon.
Could be.
Days.
Could be tomorrow.
Yeah, but you can get your butt handed to you by calling the shot too early.
All right, so let's call it.
Sure.
I think we did enough. We did enough today, right?
We hit our time. We hit our time zone.
Did we
Can
do
we,
enough?
Dr. J, can we like anchor like 2 days a week or maybe 3 days a week to do the show, like Tuesdays and Thursdays?
What's going on? I can't hear anything.
I'd like that. Come on, that's best for me.
It's so so we can have better audience.
What's going on?
I can hear you.
We can hear you, no problem, but he can't hear us. Well,
You
he's gonna
guys
end the
can't
show
hear
in a
me?
second anyway. Yes. So, I guess at least for me, the kernel was Tuesdays and Thursdays. With
Yeah,
if there's
because
something we're talking about.
Hello?
we can hear you. We hear you.
I don't know what's happening.
Okay. Well,
All right, so I'm going to call it. Have a
call
good day tomorrow trading. See you next week. Bye.
bye. Good luck, everybody.